god.
Jeez, it's like fucking flooding on there.
Damn. These homies pull up right in front of us.
Record that or save that. Fuck it.
Oh my god, Jojo, it's flooding under the car.
Damn. Can't even see.
Oh, I hope this doesn't break my uncle's fucking top of his Jeep. Hope my mom's not at work. Hail damage.
Right.
Shit, get some money for that.
Damn, looks like it just snowed.
I know. Look at the workers.
They're all just watching.
And they're like, dang. Should I run out to my car and put my windows? No, forget it, man.
That sucks. All these people outside right now.